Hi guys, so today I tried having this mulberry tea here. Ito, freshly cut mulberry siya. Kasi may puno kami dito ng mulberry. So, nag-trim ako. Kasi yung mulberry kasi, ano siya eh. Kapag palagi mo siyang tinitrim or pinuprune, mas marami siyang nagiging bunga. So, this is a freshly cut mulberry branch with a lot of leaves on it. And this is a mulberry leaf that I have air dried, and I actually tried to for the first time na uminom ng mulberry leaf tea. So I tried it, and it kasi nabasa ko na napakarami ng magagandang benefits sa body. And mind you guys, after an hour of drinking mulberry tea, na-cleanse na agad yung tummy ko. Alam niyo yun. Na-cleanse niya kaagad yung tummy ko. That's really something that I'm looking forward to be drinking daily. Just don't do that excessively kasi medyo hindi rin maganda kapag excessive yung intake ng mulberry tea. Nagkakaroon din siya ng nauseous effect, constipation, and a lot more. But not too much. So guys, this is one of the things that I really wanted to do. Kasi paborito ko yung yung mulberry fruit. Yung sobrang high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory stuffs. And this is sayang kasi eh. So, that's what I thought of it. So, it's I just took 5 leaves of this and just dipped it in a glass of hot water and let it steep for like a couple of minutes before drinking it, and it's really good. It doesn't taste awful. It's just a taste of normal tea, I can say that. So yeah, you gotta try guys. See you.